Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to eliminate the ant mounds in your backyard. As you can see in the front, this is basically the ant mound. There are a lot of ants in it and I'm going to kill it using a product. So this is the Ortho Fire Ant Killer. This is the mound treatment and it kills mounds in 15 minutes. First of all, I would like to let my subscribers know that not sponsored by this product, but this is a product I use in my day-to-day life. So that's the reason I'm presenting these products. Products that I use for pest control are the ones that are used by the professional pest control technicians. First of all, open this and then spread the material on top of the fire mount and 3 feet across so that the ants do not escape. First, place all this on top of it, and while you do this you need to wear a mask and also the gloves, and the gloves that you use for this should not be used again, so you need to discard them. So I am using plastic gloves so that I can discard them very easily. After, you need to pour 2 gallons of water so that it gets absorbed. Do this when there is no rain because the material should not flow. It is harmful for the environment and it needs to be used only for the ant mound control. So let's do this. First of all, I have torn this. Now these granules need to be placed on top of the ant mound. As you can see, completely on top. You need to keep children away from this location and also the pets. Also use the mask compulsorily, and I am spreading it across as well so that the ants do not move away from this location. Okay, once this is done, you need to pour in 2 gallons of water. Ant mound is destroyed, so will the ants. So this is how you need to perform the pest control in your backyard. Once again, see this product. This is Ortho Fire Ant Eliminator. It is for mound treatment, kills mounds and the queen. If you like such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and stay blessed.